Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Yeah, I woke up with a bad cold this morning, but that doesn't stop me from painting. I'm Rinske, I'm an artist and I paint, lately on raw canvas, and I create landscape paintings. Well, this was a painting I did last week, and did it have a mind on its own? I've never worked with so much brown shades in my life, and if you would ever say you will create a brown painting and you will love it, I wouldn't believe you. But it's the case. Today I'm working on a big square canvas and I did tape off the horizon. Also, I did add some transparent gesso on top of this line, so maybe it will stay put. And normally for the first layer I make a wash of color just to give me a reference, a guideline. But today I want to start creating with a mountain, a couple of mountains, and then probably do the wash, because I think then it will blend more together, especially with the distant mountains. So that's new for me. Let's see how this goes. I mixed up a lilac together with some brown and titanium white. So this is now this muted grayish purple shade. So let's start creating the mountain first. And I just want to do things a little bit different. I'm quite experimenting with these paintings. And first, this time I will wet where I want this mountain to be. So when I wet the canvas, it will become darker. You will see exactly where I wet it. And this is quite nice because then, I can let this dry and it will become just transparent. Nothing will happen on this canvas. But now I can see if I like the design of this mountain. Alright, so now I will drop some color here. They're lovely. I will let them dry and I'll be back. Ooh, look at this color. It's this beautiful pinkish purple muted tone. Love it. Let's create some more. Now I'll do it the same because it worked out. Just using water first. So this is just water that I'm using at the moment. So now let's add some of the color. Cute. That's cute. That's weird to say, some cute mountains. I will let this dry. I'll be back. This is dry, and so now I'm gonna do a scary part. I wanna create a colorful wash on top of that part. The top part. Let's just turn this around. So I've been thinking about this. It's risky. First I will wet this full part. Let's just start with that. Alright, now I do have multiple colors here. Let's just go with this color first, just up here. I also have some green, scared to use that, and I also have some, a little bit of a brown. Now let's just go with this color a bit first. I'm just using my hand to just nicely spread everything out. Oh, it might be nice. I don't know. No. I just feel like this is the easiest way for me to do it, just by hand. Like I have the most control over it. I have a feeling this is nice. Okay, I will just leave this be. I will be very surprised how this will dry. I'll be back. But it's looking good though. It's really looking good. Now this top part is drying. I've been thinking about it. Let's do the same thing on the bottom. But I also did mix up a sort of grayish green, which I want to use. First, let's wet this. It's really good. I have that line of tape up there. Okay. First, I think I do want to pour this color up here. It's very light, but it is some color. Add some of this color and just a little. Let's see how that goes. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. It's quite nice. I feel like adding this color somewhere up here too. Just a tiny bit. Just hope I don't mess it up. Okay, I will let this dry fully and I will be back. It's a couple hours later. I let this dry in the sun in our garden and I think it is dry. It did dry a little bit more messy than I anticipated on, especially here, this part. I do like it here, the roughness of it. And I love here that it's lighter. That's the reflection of the water. All right, so I still have this color and I was thinking when I layer on top of that, you know, it will create an even darker color. And I would like to have a reflection in the water here. So first I will go with the water. Add something light brown to this. Let's do something here too. I will let this dry and I'll be back. I'm not really convinced about this center part here. This is almost dry. I will blow dry that quickly. I do feel like I need to make this one darker, so I will. Alright, so I took off the tape. Looks very beautiful. this is beautiful.